Good morning, children. Now this is 7th class social studies, children. So what is that lesson? Establishment of the British Empire in India. Children, how the Britishers established their empire in India. I already explained to you in the previous classes, children. Okay, children. Actually, Britishers came to our country for the trading purpose. Before Britishers, who came our country? Portuguese came. Actually, Portuguese navigator or sailor Vasco da Gama. So he discovered the sea route of India. So when he reached Calicut, he agreed with the local king for trade. Okay, children. So with the help of the Vasco da Gama trade route, the remaining countries in European countries. What are the remaining countries? Portuguese, the first one. Next one is French people came, France. Next one is England people came, English. Next one is Holland people came, Netherlands at present. That people are called Dutch. Okay, children. So these all people, they established their political power in Asian countries and also African countries. So they simply plundered the natural wealth of these all countries. Okay, children. So on those days, the local kings were not too strong one. So they often fought each other. There were no unity among themselves. Okay, children. So that was the main reason to capture the political power by British. Even Britishers and French people also fought together for the superiority over our Indian territories. So finally, Portuguese went out, French people went out. So finally, the British people, they strongly laid their foundation in the political in our country, children. Okay, children. So that is the history of our country. So these Britishers ruled our country 200 years after Second World War. So when after Second World War occurred, or when Second World War occurred in 1939 to 45. So after 45, what happened? The Allied groups countries got victory over Axis power groups countries. What are the Allied group countries? Children, what are the Allied group countries? Actually, Allied group countries are, look at here, Allied group countries are England, France, USA, USSR, Poland and China, children. Okay, these are the Allied group countries. Next one, Axis power countries, children. Axis power countries, mainly three, children: Germany, Italy and Japan. Okay, children. So these countries defeated by these countries, children. Okay, children. But when the Second World War occurred, I said 1939 to 45, children. Okay. So these countries got victory over these countries, but in these countries they lost. Economically they lost human cost also. Okay, children. So that's why they were unable to hold the political power in Asian countries and also African countries. African countries, children. Okay. So in that, after Second World War, what happened? The local people of Asian countries and African countries, they fought against the European countries' colonial power. So finally, they accepted to give independence to Asian countries and the African countries, children. Okay, children. Now I want to show you some. Today I want to explain to you map pointing, children. Okay, this is the introduction. Actually, I completed this lesson in the previous classes. Okay. Now I want to show you some map pointing here. Look at, if you have the material, children, if you have the material, You come to the page number 257. Children, you must purchase or you must take outline Indian maps and you practice these maps, children. Okay, so this is the scenario about 1770 AD of our country. Look, children, areas under British rule, areas not under British rule. Okay, children. So this is Lahore, Delhi, Lucknow, Kathmandu, Benares, Calcutta, Bombay, Pune, Baroda, Hyderabad, Mysore, Madras. Look at, children, what are the important cities of our country. Even today also they are very important cities after independence, children. Okay, so you practice these all cities after my explanation, children. Now you turn the page. Now you turn the page, children. Here, page number 258. 258, children. Now this is the information about 1830 AD, children. So what was the position of 1830 AD of our country? So here index also there, about under the British rule, not under the British rule. Okay, children. So you can see this one clearly in your textbook. Color print is there, children, in textbook. You must observe this one in your textbook. This is the information of 1830 AD. Next, children, look at, this is India 1857 AD. So actually for the first time we saw the Sepoy revolt 1857 AD, children. But the Britishers suppressed our Indian people. They hanged many people in village areas who revolted against them, and they suppressed cruelly our Indian people. So finally they strongly laid foundation in our country political. Children, look at this one, Lucknow. So look at here, this is the index, areas under British rule. So look at this white color areas. Where is the white color areas? These all areas in the states of our India under the control of Britishers at the time of 1857, children. Okay, so Pune is there, Madras is there, our coastal area completely under the control of Britishers, except Mysore, children. Bombay also under the control of them. Lucknow is there. Okay, Kathmandu was not under them. Delhi also there, Calcutta is there, Benares also there, Lahore is there. Okay, children, not under the control of Britishers. This one, Mysore, Hyderabad, some part of Rajasthan, some part of Gujarat, some part of Madhya Pradesh, some part of Jharkhand, etc. So Kathmandu is the capital of Nepal, children. Okay, it was not under the control of Britishers. You keep in mind, children. Okay. Next you come to this another map, children. Okay, so what are the locations here you are looking? I read to you here: Madras, Bombay, Calcutta, Surat, Machilipatnam, Goa, Delhi, Meerut. So where is Meerut, children? Look at, this is 1857 first Sepoy revolt started at Meerut, children. So it spread afterwards in Delhi. Okay, children. So this is the Delhi. Now at present our capital is Delhi. Next, Calcutta, one of the mega city of our country. Next, Surat, it is in Gujarat. Next, Bombay. Okay, children. So Bombay, Delhi, Calcutta, these three are mega cities of our country, children. The population here is above 1 crore, above 10 millions we can find. Madras, this is metropolitan city. The population between 1 million to 10 million, children. Below 1 crore, children. Okay, this is Goa. This is Machilipatnam. Do you know, children, about the specialty of Machilipatnam? So this is the capital of our Krishna district in Andhra Pradesh. Krishna district in Andhra Pradesh. So on those days, these all places under the control of Britishers, children. So that is why we are discussing about this. Okay, children. So I repeat to you once again. Meerut. Where is Meerut? This is Meerut. Delhi, this is. Surat, this is. Bombay, this is. Goa, this is. Madras, Tamil Nadu capital. Bombay, Mumbai, it is the Maharashtra capital at present. Machilipatnam, it is in Andhra Pradesh, Krishna district. Kolkata, West Bengal capital, children, at present. Okay, children. Next to you turn the next page, children, in the material. So here page number 260. Page number 260. I read to you the index. What are the locations? Hyderabad, Mysore, Pune, Lahore, Lucknow, Benares, North Sarkars, Kathmandu. So look at, children, this is the Kathmandu. Kathmandu is the capital of Nepal. Nepal is separate nation, children. Okay, this is also known as Himalayan Kingdom. But Nepal was not under the control of any European countries. Okay, this is Lahore. Now Lahore is in Pakistan, children, not in our country. Next, Lucknow, it is in Uttar Pradesh. Benares, it is also. Next, Pune, it is in Maharashtra. Hyderabad. So after bifurcation, Hyderabad goes to Telangana state, children. Next one. Look, children, Nathan Sarkars. Nathan Sarkar means our Andhra Pradesh coastal district, children. So these Nathan Sarkars goes under the control of Britisher, children. Next, Mysore. Mysore is in Karnataka, children. Okay. So you must practice these all locations in outline map, children. I read to you once again. Mysore, Hyderabad, Pune, Northern State, Sarkars, Lucknow, Benares, Kathmandu, Lahore, etc. Now, children, look at 1770 AD. So these are the places. 1770 AD, children. Once again, here you can see Goa, Bombay, okay, Lucknow, Delhi, Lahore, Benares, okay, children, Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, Lakshadweeps. Here Lakshadweeps. This is Bay of Bengal, children. Okay, now you look at once again 1830 AD India position. This is 1830 AD. Children, you keep in mind, you carefully observe what are the locations and what are the years. Then only you can understand the lesson. Otherwise, it is very confused, children. Okay. So once again, look at this one. 1830 information. So what are the places occupied by Britishers? What are the places not occupied by the Britishers? Thick one is not occupied by the Britishers. Light color is occupied by Britishers, children. So before you study the map, you must read the index, children. So what about the map has been given? Okay, children. Okay, thank you.